Construction Con is an opportunity, opens a lot of doors for you, so enjoy it, make connections.
We're supporting the construction industry, and this is the next generation. We're all going to be retiring sometime, and we need more people in the construction industry, and this is the best way to do it.
When they get to explore all the different options here.
It's a smorgasbord. It's a buffet.
It's a fun experience to go to. It's also fun to learn how everything works and kind of the background information of what goes into each position here.
Packed full of informational stuff about construction, not just necessarily construction, but all things engineering, and it's just a really fun environment.
Construction Con is an amazing place where you're able to network, go to all these different companies, see all these different career and education pathways. It's a really great way to network with potential employers and whatnot, and it's a really great way to get your foot in the door.
This is my first year at Construction Con.
What do you think?
I like it. It's pretty nice. All the machinery and all the stations, showing everybody what different jobs and stuff are about. Some of those machines over there, I didn't know how to drive them before. It was pretty nice. I picked up a basketball, I put it in a bucket.
There's so many things you can explore here and see. You can see a lot of new industries that you've never met before. And just to get out there and to explore, like, it shows you many different things and of how you can set your future, especially if you do not know what you want to do.
You know, they're interacting and they're asking, what does my path look like? How can I start and where can I go? So I think that's really amazing that they see a career path. I feel really grateful to be here and to be able to take a part in what their next decision is in life, and it's inspiring.
To get this youth involved in hands-on trades and know that it's a sustainable, lucrative career that's going to keep them challenged from entry level all the way to retirement.
I really loved it, but after I came here, I was like, wow, like construction is something amazing. And then now I'm here trying to share all my knowledge with everyone I can.
I started in the trades, so it's seeing these kids grow through the trades and being that base for them that I not so much had when I came up through the trades.
Come on down to the Construction Con. Come play with some tractors and some other fun stuff. We're a bunch of welding booths. It's pretty fun talking to other people, getting a bunch of future ideas on what we want to do once we get out of high school. And it's really cool to get all the different stuff and learn about all the different companies and what they do.
It's a great place. Come check it out.
Construction Con!